Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find popular places nearby on Instagram, right? So let's go into the Instagram and make sure that you're using the latest version of Instagram, right? And on the search bar, which is on bottom, just click on the search, and here on the search you can just type anything. For example, let's say nearby places. Okay, just type it, and here you have to go to the places, and on the search bar just type whatever city or whatever nearby city you want to find. Let's say if I just type London, and after that you can see you have to go to the places, and after that you can see all the nearby places to the London. Okay, so here you can see, let's say if I just click on this, and here you can see that I can discover what is near to this city, right? So you can just check this, right, all the peoples and all the famous places and all that, and you can do many more things, right? So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, like this video right now, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.